else. So, ladies and gentlemen, ni don hang ni hapoh ni ka Lalpi Sports Complex Lalpi multi-purpose hall and complex. Penyin pej ya kani ka jingiakhun ka jingiakhun jo ki thei ki rang jong kani ka jala jongi. Dela pila de pej life tenai pej show. Dela pikwa ban pej na ka point of view jongi ban yo ilut igini nomor kini ni phenomi life. Ya ka jing di jadu jing kini gibriu hang ni phenomi yo dan ka yo ka ba ki shiami kumnur jeb ki dan ki kena samla ki shi bahai kini ki ai mar kawai de nga khmi lenti kan yo lang tama imat ki tho era maladon bri mai so ya nam dir kila itu fa ai mai so de ngirung sport am tai pin yo ka show sebenarnya be the rest of the evening tengah try ka fight jong ba Johnny tu siapa tahu video so sebenarnya kita ka fight jong ba Johnny mah see you bye chalo ngirung sport te kalong kum ni kan gani di ke jaka kate te bidan jaka bam sekadi kedi hani kede ke jaka pi pila ban shynrang bat kiwe ibon lagi ke ni te bat ban rung sepo tang le kai all the best all the best
London, like it was obvious enough, you dominated the game right from the start. Obviously, your ground game was better, your striking game was better. Nothing much to ask you, but you know, how old are you? When did you start fighting?
Right now, currently I am 17 years old. Sorry, guys.
Next
month, I will be 18. And I started MMA at 2023 October. It's been 1 year and 8 months.
And Lal, so like obviously you were the bigger fighter today. But what kind of advice?
All right, kini di first fight jong ka happening jong Mumbai but ka Meghalaya. You know.
Your referee for the bout, Anthony's in.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miladon hang ni ka fight. Oh yeah. This is gonna be good.
I feel like Angel looks cleaner in the striking, so Jen has to make it dirty.
You're correct. She does look much cleaner.
I mean, she has a chance. She should brawl.
She landed a nice right hand there. Another inside leg kick.
Coach Sam asking Jen to get in with punches.
Well, I really like this in and out movement by Angel actually. She comes in, she throws the punches and moves out before there's any counters. Genevieve versus Angel.
Ite bapong blue di na Mumbai, ite puyong di na Shylur. Dan ni lai dap briulut ni keling. Oh, mam briulut.
She does look much cleaner in her striking. Comes back with a nice body kick.
That was good. Mi yang kriat leh.
Strike. Ground and pound. I ground and pound.
Oh, dude, just fight this.
I bite. I need.
What she needs to do here, David, she needs to feel her.
I need bite. Control. What?
You got a single leg.
I need bite. I control.
Beautiful work by Angel's partner.
Why not? Control. Why not ground and pound bite? What ground and pound bite?
Oh, no, dos.
Control.
Hey, hynrei lah. Tak klet ring.
I bite ground and pound bite. Why not? Like a thing.
Oh, that was nice. Abshas away. Next round. Oh, come on. Last sedang dia. Come on. Oh, ni lebih muan dah ni tapi nem smooth tu. Dia kerja kende. That was a nice combat. Listen to the crowd. Bro. Lakut ke round.
Hip control.
Tension man sengila.
Grappling ways fighter,
And
but
the winner by TKO all the way from Mumbai, Angel Patil.
La job nanti berbelu. La syahid pelat terus sorry. Terus ni berbeli. Dah, tom nilai. Dah. Next fight.
You're
47.6 kilograms, fighting out of team Dojang MMA Guwahati, representing Assam, Violina Barman.
By the Meghalayan Medical Judge and Services.
And in the red corner, with a record of 6 wins and no losses, standing 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighing in at 44 kilograms, fighting out of Happy Revolution MMA Shalom, representing Meghalaya, Riva Sun. Your referee for the bout, Andrew Kynthei.
like she wants to strike.
I like her head movement. Nice leg kick. Oh, she takes a nice. Libasun gets right into her face and tries to take her down. That schoolyard headlock.
Satar bro.
But Violina gets up again.
Libasun
Landing some nice
is doing what she needs to do. She's keeping it dirty. She wants to make the clinch. She wants to keep it in the clinching range.
It's not just that, she's just moving dirty. But she gets taken down by Violina Barman. But she gets out of it. Both fighters in the clinch again, throwing knees.
Intense banget.
But But if there's one thing to be said about women's mixed martial arts is that they're absolutely tenacious. They just don't stop.
Whenever I watch a women's fight, I think they go at it harder than men's fights.
Definitely go harder. Nice escape by Vailina. But she ends up, she makes a bad mistake and ends up in the bottom. She's got Vailina in a bad position right here. But she does manage to get out. She's looking to take the back. She needs to sink her hooks in. But they just they're going crazy here in the first round. Vibasun taking on Vailina Barman. Vibasun in the red corner, Vailina Barman in the blue. What madness here, ladies and gentlemen. What madness. You're right, David. They've actually settled it down a little bit more. I think the nerves have been shaken out, after round number 1. Nice pop by Vailina. Oh! Yeah, she's got a beautiful outside chip.
Step blood, come back.
Yeah, that's the thing of putting yourself in that head. You always get that position. Yep. Oh, she's looking for a judo toss. Both these girls look to be a little bit tired now from that hellacious round and a half.
Vailina's coach
It seems to be working for Vibha quite well. But Vailina is smart and has got her head. If she can get her head out, she'll be in a really advantageous position right now. Yeah, exactly. You're right, David. Like what Vailina should be doing right now, she should be throwing at least her left hook in and using that left hook. She can use it to peel her off. She also needs to basically push off on Vibha's right elbow. She might have a scarf lock here. If she's smart, she needs to get a scarf lock. That's a nasty arm lock. Beautiful work by Vailina to roll through and take top position. But now she's got to look to finish. She moves to side control. Beautiful work by Vailina. Yeah, exactly right, David. She's doing exactly that. She needs to go for the back right now. Put 2 hooks in and start. She needs to put both hooks in and start pounding on her. She doesn't have any hooks right now, But really good work from Vibha to stand up. Vailina got a nice body lock. She should be looking for an outside chip. And she gets taken down by that side. Headlock. Schoolyard headlock. Looking for the scarf. This is a horrible position for Vailina to be in.
especially with the amount of time we have.
Yes, she's running out of time. and she's landed in the same position in the last 3 rounds. All credit to Baroh. She's doing an excellent job of just neutralizing Balina's stand-up.
She finally ended up doing a change. Again, she got on the back foot.
Yeah, and there were hooks under her.
Hand fight from there.
Yeah, she can hand fight from there and basically like now she's got one hook in. Oh, but she's using the hook for the wrong thing. She should be looking to use the hooks and peel her body. I think Balina is going to go back and look at this fight and be like, I need to work on certain things.
Winner by unanimous decision, representing the red corner, we have some. Please, one more time. I need you guys to scream. I'm losing my voice. Not fun. You guys need to lose your voice as well. One more scream. For we have the anthem. With that, we shall take a short break. We will join you back immediately.